Hello, everyone. My name is Shivam, and I'm going to talk just the outline about website development. It's a big word, but trust me, it's not that much. So, a little bit about myself. I come from a software engineering background. I've experienced in artificial intelligence and machine learning. I worked at Google and Facebook, and I've also worked on websites, right? I've worked for articles, journals, blogs, and those kind of things. So I'm gonna share my knowledge so that you can take it all along in the future. So what is website development, right? It is one part, in fact, the most important part of your front-end application where you can attract your audience, you can attract your viewers. You have 3 seconds to make or break the situation. You just literally have a very short amount of time to gather the attention of your user, and you need to make your web extremely usable, extremely convenient, easy to use, and very interactive. It cannot be just boring, because we do not have patience, right? So we just want them to do really quickly, press a couple buttons, and that's it. We're done, right? So let's say you meet me for the first time, right? You are asking you to introduce yourself. So how would you do that, right? You would talk to me about yourself. You talk about what you do. Talk about what activities you're a part of, right? And notice you're trying to engage me in a conversation. You ask for my responses back. You ask for my input, right? And that is a good means to generate communication, right? And notice that's exactly what your website needs to do. It's got to be your voice. It's got to be, your way to communicate with your audience. It's got to be like your place for people for your audience to relate to, right? That relation and your presentation is one of the key concepts in website development. So let's take an example. You're taking you're getting a newest iPhone, and it's on your door, and you look at it. Okay, now you're like, I see a white box, and it's not just any white box. It comes with a really nice logo. In fact, it has a separate opening. Like, it's not usually the way you would open a box, right? It'd have a little slide or something like that, and or maybe it'll have like a really nice opening way, like a curvature kind of it. So, and it'll be really nicely packed. You'll see your sleek iPhone with a really nice design, and you will see, so and so interface. This, choose your language, choose your date, and look how easy it is for you to make these decisions. You don't have to look anywhere. You can literally just scroll down and you have all the information you need, and it's quick, easy, reliable, those kind of things, right? And it's very important for you to do that also. So let's say if I ask you to make a quick website about, let's say all the tools and all that, how would you begin your website? Well, you'd say you want to have a nice topic, right? You want to have, you want to have your name, right? You want to have like a nice content on it. You want to have links to your Facebook and Instagram at the bottom. You would like to have your picture too, because that makes it just more attractive to your users. And then you would also have tabs where you can navigate between what you do and your work and those kind of things. Oh, and very importantly, you also have your background. Like, okay, you don't want to have a dull background like gray, but you'll have a more more user-friendly background, like maybe a red, or a white even, or black, something like that. And all of that website development accomplishes. They're just tools for you to do it. For example, for your coding, you would use like HTML to have your headings and things like that. For your design, you would use CSS, which is like your color templates or what you can do, right? And then you also have like a little bit of coding like net programming, which is your JavaScript, where you can interact with, see your buttons, and make definitions for your buttons, right? So I'll leave you with this one thought that, according to me, website development is about 4 F's, which is it's the forefront of your application. It's the first part that your users get to interact with. It's got to be flawless. And lastly, but not least importantly, it's got to be fun. Take care.